Good morning, good morning, good morning. All of you, a very great, amazing, fantastic good morning to all of you. I hope you're there, all of you, right? Let's go ahead. All right. So we were in which chapter? We were in Bacho exempt income. It is almost over. Okay, it is almost over. And we were in the last leg where we were doing Bacho what? Your section 10 double A deduction, right? Any unit done in SEZ or any unit available in SEZ, right? So for tax sake, quickly tell me audio, video, everything is fine, so I can go ahead. We had already solved a couple of sums based on 10 double A, right, everyone? So today we will finish this couple of sums, whatever is remaining, and we'll go ahead with the next chapter. All right, Ilya? I have scheduled a different lecture for obviously new chapter later on. Okay, that link or whatever you will get it. Don't worry. Okay. Chalo, I am going ahead, everybody. Let me just quickly check the notes. We have all our notes, है ना? So we did what? Acha. I think we covered question number 10, right, everyone? Yes. And I hope you are solving bachcho MCQs as well, okay, on your own. Please ask me if at all you have any doubt, and I hope you can also please go through the ICAI booklet. I'll just quickly show it to you over here. All right, till that time I will show you on ICAI website that you can get your own ICAI, your MCQs booklet. When you go on ICAI.org, go on student section, go on BOS knowledge portal, right here, okay. Over here you'll obviously see your intermediate, yeah, the course. Now, if at all you'll see, bachcho, there were sample questions for the MCQs, okay. So this is also one of the database which you have. And then secondly, there are some references for quick revisions, okay. Even these charts you can use for revisions. These are revision charts given by, I mean, I'm not downloading now over here, but also that you can use, all right. That is available. Then apart from this, check what all you can check. You have paper number 2, 4, 6, and 7 where you have MCQs, right? Paper 2 corporate law, 4 taxation, 6 auditing, and 7 EISSM. Over all these 4 papers you have MCQs. So wait till I show you for paper number 4 taxation. Check over here now. Please check MCQs and case scenarios booklet relevant for any, I mean, this examination 2021. Click on that. You will see a big PDF of 173 pages. But please go and practice all of this, okay? As much as possible. Obviously, I'll try to make also videos on these, or maybe I'll take this on YouTube as well. Hello Shakti, hello Pushkar. Are you ready or not, guys? Tell me quickly. But you guys can also practice this a lot, okay? Please do this. Please definitely do this. All right, till here, okay? And then I think, yeah, answers are given at the end. Answers are given, okay? Check over here. Answers are given after, you can say 1 or 2, you can say chapter, after you can say this concepts. All right, yes, till here, you guys ready? Shall we go ahead or not? Okay, fine. All right, let's go ahead, everybody. All right, so I'm now going ahead with the syllabus, okay? I hope then you will at least practice or solve these case scenario based MCQs. All right, till here, okay, fine. Let's go ahead, bachcho. Let's go ahead. All right, done till everybody, okay? So tell me, what have we done in our notebook? We have done, please pay attention, question number 10. Okay, we have done bachcho question number 10, I suppose. All right, so we have to go ahead now with 11. Yes, fine. I'll start with a new note today. Yes or no, everyone? I hope you remember what is 10 AA, bachcho. Any new unit created in what, bachcho? SEZ. Yes or no? So any profit arriving from that SEZ unit, especially related to exports, है ना? That will be exempted for consecutive or total 15 years. See, that is very important, bachcho. When I say consecutive, no, it is very important because you cannot opt. You don't have option to take deduction or not take deduction in a particular year. It is just like bachcho depreciation. You don't have option to claim or not to claim depreciation. You have to compulsorily take depreciation in income tax also. That also we will see later on. Alright, till here. So it has to be 15 continuous years of deduction, 10 AA. Okay. First 5 years is 100%. Next 5 years is 50%. And last 5 years is bachcho 50% subject to transfer to special reserves. Alright, till here. I hope you remember, right? Yes, what was our formula bachcho for deduction? Deduction under section 10 AA is what? Profits of the unit of SEZ into export turnover of SEZ unit upon total turnover of SEZ unit. Simple till here. Alright, chalo, let's go ahead now. I'll just again quickly open the notes. Question number 11 बच्चों, ठीक है? Alright. Who all are there in now classroom? Pushkar. Question number 11. Everyone ready? Yes? Okay. ABC Limited has one undertaking at SEZ and another at DTA, domestic tariff area. I hope you remember whatever is outside your DTA, outside your SEZ, we call it as DTA. Okay. Following the details given to you for the financial year 2021, right on there. 2021. All right. So SEZ, DTA, we have export, domestic turnover, export turnover, and what? Net profit. All right, till here. Okay. Yes, let's go ahead. Compute the total quantum of eligible deduction under section 10 AA for AY 21-22 in the following situations. Both the units were set up and began manufacturing from 25/7/12, and both the units were set up and began manufacturing from 10/4/16. Now this is kind of a repetitive question, so let us quickly finish this off. I mean, this is quite easy to do. All right. Yes, check. And now SEZ data is completely available with us, so that is not an issue. So we'll write down bachcho case 1. Case 1. We are interested in bachcho what? SEZ unit. Yes or no? SEZ's unit was set up. Write down. Chalo everybody. SEZ unit was set up on what date? First one 25/7/12. Yes. That is PY. Which PY bachcho? 25/7/12 is PY 12/13. Yes or no? Everybody. All those of you are live, please comment something, okay? Or please say something in the class. PY 12/13. That is PY 12/13 is the first year. Yes or no? Is the first year of deduction under section bachcho 10 AA. Yes, chaliye. 10 AA. Yes. Now, our current year is which one? 2021. So PY 12/13, 14, 15, 16, 17. First 5 years over. 17 done. 18, 19, 20, 21. Yes or no? We are in actually the 9th year. Remember this? We are now in the 9th year. Remember this or not? Correct? Eh? So we'll get 50% of eligible deduction. Or you can say eligible deduction is 50% of the deduction. Yes, chaliye. Write down. Since PY 2021. Yes or no? PY 2021 is after when bachcho first 5 years or first 10 years? Is after first 5 years. Is after first 5 years. All right, till here. First 5 years of setup. Hello Rohan, good morning. Is after first 5 years of setup, right till here. Eligible deduction is 50%. Yes, everybody. Eligible deduction is bachcho how much? 50%. All right, till here. Again, I'll repeat, those who are interested in my live face-to-face classes when the government allows, or if you're interested in joining this live virtual batch, live virtual club face-to-face, you can connect with me on this number. Okay? Fine. Whatever inquiries you have to do, you can ask me. Google Drive, pen drive, this virtual batches, Zoom lectures, whatever it is, or face-to-face. Hai na? Done? Fine. चलो, do we have all the data of SEZ बच्चों? Whatever we require, yes, we require what? Net profit, export turnover and total turnover. All three figures are available बच्चों, है ना? No, not really available directly. Check. We have domestic turnover and export turnover, and then we have net profit. So now you have to obviously understand, bachcho, this is a little bit not that tricky, but if at all you understood, domestic turnover is given and export turnover is given. What is our formula? Write down that. Chalo, I'll tell you what is to be done. Deduction under section 10 AA, write down. Deduction under section 10 AA equals to what, bachcho? Profit of SEZ unit, correct? Into what? Export turnover of SEZ unit, yes, upon total turnover of SEZ. Simple till here? Yeah, right everyone? Alright. Are we given bachcho profit of SEZ? Tell me. Everybody tell me. Are we given bachcho profit of SEZ? Yes or no? Yes, we are given. The net profit of SEZ bachcho 40. Whatever, the 40 lakhs or crores or whatever it might be. Okay, 40. Yes? Into. Are we given bachcho your export turnover? Tell me bachcho. Are we given or not? Yes? Yes or no? We are given bachcho what? Export turnover of? Yes, 150. Correct till here? And what about bachcho total turnover? Tell me. What about bachcho total turnover? Tell me quickly. Will it be 200 or 150 itself? Or will it be something else? It will be something else. Alright? This you have to understand. That is the only difference over here. Domestic plus export turnover is the total turnover of SEZ. Because even if you'll check here, export done by SEZ is 150, but even domestic you can sold. I mean, sold by SEZ in domestic areas also 200. So total turnover of SEZ is what, bachcho? 300. Okay, we will write down that in some time. Okay, 300. Okay, till here? Yes or no? Not 300, sorry, it is 350, no? Not 300. $150 plus 200 is 350, correct? Yeah. So this comes to how much? It is not half exactly. So 150 by 350 into 40 is 17.14. I'm writing. Okay, 17.14. Let us say. Okay, but this is the entire deduction we'll get, bachcho. Entire 100%. No, we will get this at 50%. Why? Because we are in the next 5 years, है ना? We are in the next 5 years. Correct, Ilya? Yes. So 17.14 into again 0.5 is 8.57. Let us say 8.57. Yes, everybody. That is my eligible deduction under section 10 AA for the AY 21-22. Isn't it, Gacho? Yes. I'll just quickly write down the table which we can write over here. Okay, only for the sake of presentation. Particulars, SEZ and DTA. Correct? Total turnover. Okay, write down here. How much? 350. I'm writing in bracket what? 200 plus 150. DTA how much is? It is 180. Again, only for the sake of showing. Okay, 180. Correct till here? Then export turnover is what we require. Export turnover is how much? 150 and 80, which is ready-made available to with us. Yes. And lastly is your NP, net profit. Again, directly available. Net profit is 40, comma, or not 40, comma, 40 and 100. Yes, everybody? Done? Simple? Right, everybody? Done? Okay, let's go ahead. That is for case 1, bachcho, when the unit was set up on 25/7/12. Correct? Again, simple thing will be there for next one. Chalo, case 2. Okay. SEZ unit was set up on 10/4/2016. That is which PY? That is PY 16/17 was what बच्चों? First year of deduction. Correct है? And again, you have to focus on our year. Our year is what, bachcho? 2021. Yes or no? Correct, everybody? Our year is what, bachcho? 2020. Since PY 2021 is which year now? PY 16/17 was the first. 17, 18, 19, 20, 21 exactly is your fifth year. Be very careful. Fifth and sixth will make a very big difference. Okay? Yes or no? So PY 2021 is within or outside first 5 years? It is within, or it is in fact the fifth year. Is within first 5 years of setup. Correct hai? Therefore, eligible amount of deduction. Eligible deduction is how much percentage? 100%. Right? Is 100%. Correctly, everybody, please keep that in mind. Okay? Is 100%. Done till here? Numbers are now readily available with us, so that is not a problem. Therefore, deduction under section 10AA is profit of SEZ is what? 40 into export turnover of this SEZ is 150 upon total turnover of SEZ is equal to 350. Yes or no? So our earlier figure is what we are going to write down. Which one that was? 17.14. I hope everyone is getting till here. 17.14. Only difference is what, bachcho, now? This is very important, into 100%. That is, we will take 100%, right? So actually our main answer is what just now? 17.14 is our eligible deduction. Done, everybody? All right. Now, let me tell you how Institute plays with you, okay? Or how ICAI plays with you. Why the results get so much, you can say down in CA intermediate. Why at times students find the exams so tough, okay? Because honestly, ICAI gives you the types of levels of questions in study material is very, very basic, okay? And then they will give you the theory, they will give you everything over there in ICAI study material, but they will not give you the level or types of questions which they ask you in exams, okay? So please do not rely only on ICAI study material, okay? I'll tell you, I'll give you a very nice hint, okay? Hint means I'm telling you this. Now we learned about 10AA, okay? By that, this question is done, 17.14 is done. And we discussed about 10AA quite in detail, okay? We covered that, right, everybody? So all the theory and all we learned, okay? Then we learned, okay, why this deduction was brought into picture, obviously. What do you think, bachcho? Obviously to promote SEZ, to promote new units, to promote, you can say, employment, infrastructure, everything, no? Okay, isn't it, guys? Especially in SEZ units. And now, with the help of deduction, they are helping all the new units or industries over here. That you come, set up in SEZ, and then you will get 15 years, obviously you'll get this benefit. So obviously this is a, you can say, policy of the government to focus on certain sectors and give them benefits by income tax also, or in case of income tax also. Correct, here? So we understood the purpose of that particular section. So all these details and all that is given in your law as well as that is given in your ICAI study material as well. Correct, eh? Yes. But the questions which you covered till now, they were there in your ICAI study material. That was simply over there. Correct, eh? But now please pay attention. There was this concept, okay, and I'm telling you, please be very serious about it. That how actually ICAI plays with you. Now over here they have given, I mean, it is obviously part of law, that they are saying meaning of export turnover, and I told you that, okay, I had explained that in earlier lecture also, okay. Meaning of export turnover, it means consideration received in India or brought into India by an assessee in respect of an export, by undertaking any sale of your units or articles or things or services, whatever it is, but does not include. Okay, but bachcho, what does not include? Okay, till here, pay attention. What? Freight, telecommunication charges, and insurance. That means, see, now your assessee is an exporter. That means he is selling. So whenever he is exporting, okay, please pay attention, in his invoice, है ना, I'm just giving you an example. Let us say the goods, the price of goods, let us say is 100, okay, but since he is exporting, maybe he has some other expenses as well which he needs to charge from the buyer, okay, or importer from the other country. That may be, let us say, freight 10 rupees, let us say telecommunication charges 5 rupees, let us say insurance 15 rupees, and etc. And that will be my total, whatever, 20, 15, 20, 25, 30. This will be my total sale price. Okay, I'm just giving you an example here, 130. And now let us say the invoice shows gross amount as 180, 130, okay? But we will not consider this 130 in our calculations for export as well as total turnover. Please keep that in mind. Are you understanding? Now you will be given total figure of 130, and then maybe in some data you will be given a telecommunication this much, freight is this much, insurance is this much. You'll have to reduce that amount. Are you understanding or no? You'll be given first of all only this figure, and as an adjustment or notes, you might be given these figures of telecommunication, freight, and insurance. Are you understanding here? Now this type of question is not given in an ICAI study material. But now they may ask you MCQ, they may ask you a practical question also. Now students become confused. Array, where is this type of question given? Not given at all in the study material, bacho. That is the reason I'm telling you, please, we'll have to do something extra as well. Clear, everybody? Did you understand till here? Okay. That's why I'm telling you, just reading ICAI study material, it has to be there first of all. It has to be there by default, okay? Now check, I'll give you one question over here. Very nice question. Okay, please pay attention. Question number 12. Mr. Ramesh furnishes, pay attention, Mr. Ramesh furnishes the following particulars, or you can say details, for the previous year 2021, write down, in respect of an industrial unit, or you can say undertaking, established in SEZ in March 2015. Be very careful first of all. March 2015 is which PY? Give me this first. Be very careful. Students make lots of mistakes unnecessarily. 1 month here and there, 1 year here and there, bachcho, makes a lot of difference. Let me tell you that. Okay. March 2015. But it began manufacturing in. Now see this such pathetic type of question they are asking you. But it began manufacturing, bachcho, April 2015. Now what does the law say? From when can you get bachcho deduction? From the date of just you can say setup, or from the date of manufacturing, because both the conditions should be satisfied or not satisfied. Okay, are you understanding the question? Check. So that is the depth or in detail which you have to read. Okay, tax holiday for newly established units in SEZ which has begun or begins to manufacture or produce articles or things or computer etc. or provide any service on or after, okay, will get the benefit. That means, bachcho, what is important? Write down somewhere in a notebook. Okay. For section 10AA, date of setup is not important. But what is important? Date of manufacturing. Date of manufacturing, you can say initiation, or you can say beginning, okay? Date of beginning of manufacturing is important. All right. Obviously use common sense. You cannot manufacture first and then you will set up. The sequence is obviously you set up the factory and then you start manufacturing. But from both these days, but what is more important? It is the date of manufacturing. Clear till here? है ना बच्चों? The baby is there for 9 months, है ना? But when do we celebrate the birthday? Only on actually when it comes out, है ना? Right? So that is the manufacturing thing. By the way, happy Women's Day to all the women over there. Happy Women's Day, everybody. Or yeah, just for everybody, but especially women, right? Then everybody ready, everyone? Let's go ahead. Yeah. All right. So your export turnover, bachcho, does not, okay, include freight, insurance as well as telecommunication charges if it is charged in the invoice. Clear till here? Now see, it is such a tricky thing. That is established in March 15, that is PY 1415. Correct till here? but began manufacturing April 15. That is PY 15-16. That is obviously now we have to understand which is my first year of deduction. Will we take PY 14-15 as first year of deduction or 15-16 as first year of deduction? Again, I'm telling you this kind of question is not given in ICS study material. I hope you're understanding the level which you have to cross to clear this paper. Okay. Particulars rupees. Pay attention. Total sales are given to us. And export sales, proceeds received in India. Yes, it was also a condition. Yes or no? If you check it, again I'll show you in the law. It has to be received in India, bacha. Check over here. Consideration is received in India, only then it will be part of the turnover, okay? Only if you have booked the sales. It is only on paper and the money has not yet come in India. That is not important. That will be, you can say, ignored. So the even money consideration has to come in India for your export. Clear? Yes or no? Fine. So yes, money has come into India. Then domestic sale is given to us. Yes or no? Obviously check now. Little bit of common sense. Export and domestic. 40 plus 45 is your 85. Clear till here? That is your total sales. And profit from the above undertaking. Alright. That means they are talking about your obviously SEZ only. Okay. It's just 20 lakhs. Okay. Export sales for the financial year 2021. That is the current year. Correct? Eh? Includes freight and insurance of rupees 5 lakhs for delivery of goods outside India. Correct, Ilya? It is inclusive. Compute the amount of deduction available to Mr. Ramesh under section 10AA for AY 21-22. Clear? Now check, bacho. Where was this question given? I'm telling you, it is very, very highly pathetic. Or you can say high level of questions are asked in MTP as well as RTP. Okay, so please give utmost important to bacho. I'm telling you now. Once the chapter is over, please finish off RTP as well as MTP. Okay, mock test papers. Okay, at least for the relevant chapter or logics or concept which we have covered. Okay, the law may have changed. Okay, obviously please try to solve it only as per the current law, but check the level of questions. Okay, level of questions you will understand. Practice them, please, please, please. This is very, very important. Okay. And today we are finishing this chapter number 4, exempt income. So I'll take test on the first 4 chapters in next week. So I'm giving you entire 1 week to revise your first 4 chapters. Okay? Basics, residential, agri and exempt. Just 4 simple chapters. Done till here? Alright? Fine. Fantastic. So test number 1 is on first 4 chapters. Okay, done till here? So let's go ahead, right? So let's write down question number 12. And please star mark this question. Hello Maithili, very good morning. How are you? Please star mark this question, okay? Because this type of question is not given in the ICS study material, but they given MTP and RTP, and then students wonder how these level of questions or types of questions are asked. You know? Yes, everybody? Chalo. Let's go ahead. Those of you are live, please keep on commenting. You know? All right. Right now. Thank you, Maithili. I'm just giving you a notes over here. As per CBDT circular, freight, insurance, and your telecommunication charges are excluded from This type of question is done. Maithili, have you done this type of question? From what? Export and total turnover. Okay. Yes, everybody. As per CBDT circular, all these three expenses are removed, or you can say excluded, from the calculation of export as well as total turnover. Okay. Use common sense now. If you're going to remove from your export turnover, obviously we're also going to remove from your total turnover. Okay. Yes. Will it make a difference actually in the ratio? Answer is no. Will it make a difference in the ratio? Answer is no. You will remove 5 from 45 and also remove 5 from 80 as such. Okay. It will, I think it will make a difference. No? Yeah. 45, no? This freight, telecommunication and freight insurance and telecommunication charges are included in export turnover while calculating 10AA deductions. Okay. 45 by 85 is your correct. Yeah, 0.52, and but 40 by 80 will be 0.5, no? Yes, till you're done? Okay, let's go ahead. Chalo. Some notes we'll have to write down. Chalo. Should I give you from here only then? Write down, point number 1. I'll just show you the question, Maithili. See, these figures are given: export, total, and domestic, and all of that, profit of the unit. But in the export turnover, they are saying that freight and insurance of rupees 5 lakhs is included. And then there is a CBDT circular which says that this 5 lakhs has to be excluded from the turnover. Okay, that question we are doing, which is given in RTP, but not in your ICS study material. That is what we are doing. Alright, bacho, done. Or let us say I will write down along with you. It should be there in our notes also, no? Always. Fine. Let me copy it from my earlier notes, but correct. Better. Let's go ahead, everybody. Sure. I'm copying from earlier notes, but yes, so that I will write down with you, hai na? Chalo. Point number 1. SEZ unit was set up when, bachcho? I think in March 2015, correct hai? SEZ unit was set up in March 2015. That is PY, which one, bachcho? 2014 and 15. Correct, Ilya? Yes? Full stop. However, it commenced operations, or it commenced manufacturing. However, it commenced manufacturing from what, bachcho? April, no? From April 2015. That is PY, which one, bachcho? 15, 16. Correct, hai? Therefore, first year of deduction. Therefore, bachcho, what? First year of deduction under section 10AA is which one? Is from PY, which one? From PY 15, 16. Correct, hai? Point number 2. Now our current year 2021 is which year? Okay, PY 2021. Now 15, 16 is the first, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Gone. 2021 has been fed, bachcho, the 6th year. Yes or no? PY 2021 is after the first 5 years. Yes or no? Is after the first 5 years from the year of first 5 years of SEZ unit manufacturing. Okay, okay. Is after the first 5 years from year in which SEZ commenced manufacturing. Yes or no? Therefore, eligible deduction is how much, बच्चों? 100% or 50%? Therefore, eligible deduction is, बच्चों, how much? 50%. Correct है? Because it is 6th year now, not 5th year. Clear, everybody? Yes or no? Is the speed high, slow, low? Tell me, huh? Are you understanding, not understanding? You want me to repeat? Whatever. Fine, okay, Delia? Next one. Computation of eligible deduction under section 10AA for Mr. What, Ramesh, no? For Ramesh. For which AY, बच्चों? 21, 22. Okay. So just like in your accounts or costing or any other practical subjects you do, the main answer comes first and then some kind of working notes or explanation will come later on. Right, Delia? Okay. All of you who are live right now, please like the video, and if at all, please comment something. Okay. All right. Right now, particulars and rupees. That's it. Amounts are given in lakhs. Yes. Particulars and rupees in lakhs. Clear? So deduction under section 10AA. Clear hai? What is our formula? Is what? Profit of SEZ unit, correct? Into what? Export turnover of SEZ upon what, bachcho? Obviously, total turnover of SEZ, right? Simple. Which comes to, or the figures are given to us. Profit of SEZ is how much, bachcho? 20 lakhs, right, everybody? Into. The importance over here is this one. We will not take 85-45. Export turnover, bachcho, we will reduce from 45, we'll reduce 5. Because that 5 relates to what, bachcho? Freight and insurance. So we'll take over your 40. Please highlight that. And similar thing obviously will also be in your total turnover also. It will be reduced from, bachcho, total turnover. So it will be 80. Yes or no? Clear till here? Are you understanding or not? Okay. Clear? This will come to obviously 10. But 10, since we are in the next 5 years, okay, we can write on here also into 50%. We are in the 6th year, isn't it, bachcho? 6th year. So we'll get, bachcho, only half or 50% of the total deduction. So 10 into 50% will be rupees as such, or you can say 5 lakhs. Hai na? So total deduction for the current year or under section 10AA is, bachcho, how much? 5 lakhs. Yes, everybody? All right, everyone? Now we'll write the important notes, okay? Working notes. How the figure of 40 and 80 arrived, because that is not directly given in our notes, hai na? Done? First one. For calculation of what? For calculation of your export turnover and total turnover, Write down, chalo. For calculation of what? Export turnover and total turnover. Speed is matching, all of you. I hope you're able to solve at my, or right at my speed, okay? Yes, Celia. For calculation of export turnover and total turnover, बच्चों. Expenditure relating to. Expenditure relating to. What, बच्चों? Freight, insurance and telecommunication charges. Correct, everybody? Are to be what? Are to be excluded. Yes or no? Are to be excluded. All right. Done, tell you. So point number 2, I'll just continue both of them. Calculation of export and total turnover. I'll write down both of them together. Calculation of export and total turnover. Particulars, right? Export turnover rupees, we'll do it in same column now, on the same table. And total turnover in rupees. Clear till here, everybody? Yes? Then the actuals which is given to us. Actual export turnover was 45 and total turnover was 85. Yes, tell you everybody. Simple. Actuals or actual expenditure, whatever. Less, what will you say? In the question they have given us what? Freight and insurance, okay? Freight and insurance. Alright, tell you. From both of them will reduce obviously 5. And here we'll write down then eligible turnover. Both of them, no, whatever it is. Export or total turnover. 40 and 80. Clear till here? See, it would have been very easy for me to finish off the chapter with the questions given in ICS study material. And as it is, options are available over there, answers is solved over there. That is fine. But if this kind of different questions, they do come, then how will you solve? That is my concern or issue. And that is the reason, but so please let me tell you, almost all of my chapters have extra questions. You will see lots of extra questions which I give you in writing as well. I think if you remember in residency status also, okay, I had given you some questions in writing separately, okay, and then apart from that in test also which I'll give you, okay. Sorry, test also now which I'll give you, even that will open your eyes that you know what kind of or level of question that can be asked. All right, till here. So it's completely fine to make mistakes. That is not an issue. But you should be aware what a level of questions can be asked. Okay. So please, this is your done. I mean, this is your eligible turnover under section 10 AA. Write down here. Under section 10 AA. Okay, that is done over here. Okay. But please keep in mind, but only doing your ICS study material may also not be sufficient. All right, till here. I'm literally telling you, but in November 20 attempt of taxation, one of the worst papers of taxation had come. It was tough, and it was tough for students. That means 15, 20, 25, 30 marks, such kind of marks students have got. That doesn't mean others have not got well. There are obviously my students only have got exemption in such attempt as well. But you can imagine, and I have been speaking to those students, and they have covered almost last 4 years, 5 years, 10 years papers as well. Obviously, the law has changed, so they are not, concerned about how the answer was solved, but they were concerned about what kind of adjustment of questions were asked. And based on those adjustment or questions, they were trying to solve it in using obviously the current law. That you have to keep in mind. What are adjustments or different types of questions which can be asked? Okay. So my homework to you always deemed you have to do RTP as well as MTP as well as bachcho previous exam questions. You have to at least read them out. Okay, and see its suggested answers. Okay. And as far as the law is same in the current year, that will be your answer. Done till here, everybody tell me. Pakka? Done till here? Fine. So that is the end of this chapter, bacho, exempt income. And homework will be again, read your ICS study material. Please, this is the basic, okay? ICS study material. Please make a folder. I think I discussed this in my earlier lectures also. Please create a folder in your laptop or mobile or anywhere, and please store subject-wise What did I say बच्चों? Subject wise. Okay, MTB, RTB and previous exams questions. Will you do that? Yes or no? And then refer. See, your studies are not over. I'm telling you, your studies are not over just because you attend classes. Clear till here? Classes will only help you. They're only supplementary. You have to do extra. Others will never ever will be able to finish our entire syllabus. Clear till here, everybody? Okay, done. This you have to do. And now please keep in mind, by next Monday or whatever Sunday I might, or next week whatever, I will give you a exams. Okay, I will give you a test on first 4 chapters. Clear? First 4 chapters. Clear hai? That is your basics, your exempt income, residence status, exempt income, and your this agricultural income. First 4 chapters, maybe on Sunday I will give it to you. Okay, coming Sunday, whatever it is. Other students, those who are watching my lectures, maybe offline or video lectures, obviously I'll be sharing you the question paper and suggested answer as well in your drive or whatever pen drive, whatever you'll be taking from me. All right, till here. So be prepared. This is obviously applicable for me as well as November 21 students. Okay, so at least you can try it out. You know? Once you solve, then we will discuss it a little bit, and then I'll obviously share with you suggested answers as well. Done till here? Yes. We'll take a very small break of 5 minutes, 5 to 10 minutes maximum. I'll be sharing a link with you again on my WhatsApp and Telegram group because I'm starting with a new chapter now. So I want to continue with a new lecture itself. All right. So I'll discontinue this lecture and again take a small time. You guys can take a small 5 minutes break, and then see you in your next chapter. All right, Tilia. Okay. Take care. Tata. See you in couple of minutes.